Welcome to our video series. I'm Ryan Chan, founder and CEO of UpKeep. Today we're going to explore 3 pivotal events in 2023 that will dramatically affect manufacturing facilities and their sustainability goals. You'll learn how these events will require an unprecedented level of data gathering, analysis, and management for businesses to capitalize on opportunities, adhere to regulations, and make agile business decisions. So, buckle up as we discuss billion-dollar initiatives, evolving reporting standards, and the ever-changing economic and geopolitical climate. Now let's dive into the first major event. We're looking at the colossal $10 billion initiative to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, a critical part of the 2021 infrastructure law, specifically the Inflation Reduction Act. This act is injecting billions into the economy to support clean and alternative energy initiatives and programs. With ambitious targets set by the government, such as reducing U.S. greenhouse gas emissions by 50 to 52% below 2005 levels by 2030, facilities will need to elevate their game. A significant part of the Inflation Reduction Act is the extension and expansion of the Advanced Energy Project Credit. This means that a staggering $10 billion is now accessible for projects that aim to re-equip an industrial or manufacturing facility with equipment designed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by at least 20%. Understanding the condition and performance of crucial assets will be pivotal in determining where a company can introduce emission-reducing projects and take advantage of these funds or other related tax credits now available. Moving on to the second major event, the evolving sustainability disclosures and reporting rules. According to World Favor, a sustainability platform provider, 3 proposals for standardized sustainability disclosure were announced in 2022. These include the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's proposed disclosure rule changes, the introduction of the European Sustainability Reporting Standards, and the creation of a global baseline of sustainability disclosures by the International Sustainability Standard Board. Notably, on February 16, 2023, the International Sustainability Standard Board unanimously decided that global climate and sustainability disclosure rules will go into effect next year. Consequently, data will play an increasingly crucial role as manufacturers and other companies are required to report more sustainability results under these evolving regulations. Lastly, we cannot overlook the unstable economic and geopolitical climate. The United States is wrestling with record levels of inflation, and the world is still recovering from the repercussions of the Russia-Ukraine war. This has led to an energy crisis, particularly impacting the European region. Countries are easing restrictions for coal and nuclear energy producers to cope, which unfortunately leads to higher emissions in the short term. The high inflation rate in the United States, which reached 6.4% in February 2023, is coupled with concerns about long-term energy supply and security issues. The unpredictable nature of these geopolitical events makes it imperative to generate as close to real-time data as possible to fuel appropriate business decisions. As we move further into 2023, there's no doubt that sustainability issues are here to stay. Manufacturing companies and other facilities will need to continue refining their data collection, analytics, and reporting capabilities. This will ensure they can leverage generous financial incentives, avoid increasing fines and penalties, satisfy evolving reporting requirements, and respond swiftly to changing economic and geopolitical landscapes. Having a centralized, integrated data ecosystem not only supports world-class asset operations, but also provides facilities with the information they need to successfully navigate the changing sustainability ecosystem. Thank you for watching. We've just explored the 3 pivotal events in 2023 that will dramatically affect manufacturing facilities and their sustainability goals. Remember, the key to success in these changing times is data collection, analysis, and management. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, the future is in your hands.